2016 Toyota Tundra 4WD truck. With less than 17,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers a sporty look with extra storage. You'll also love how it combines comfort and convenience with its side view mirrors with turn signals, satellite radio, navigation,
premium sound system,
multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive,
blind spot monitor,
parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, cooled front seats, tinted windows, moonroof, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat. Find your dream car and drive it home today.